How to download apps on Android tablets. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you are new on an Android tablet and wondering how to install apps, don't worry at all. Downloading app is super simple once you know where to look. First of all, unlock your Android tablet and open up Google Play Store. You'll also need to make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Once it is, go to the search icon at the bottom center and on the search bar at the top of the screen, type down the name of the app you are looking for. Just type in the app in the search bar. For example, I'm just typing in WhatsApp. Now, search for the application and in the search result, find the app you are looking for and tap on the install button. Wait for a couple of minutes and the application will be downloaded and installed on your Android tablets. Then once installed, you can open up the app and follow through the instructions to sign into the particular application that you've downloaded. The download will take a while depending upon your internet speed, so make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi or cellular data. Once the app installs, you will be able to see the app in your app drawer and you'll be good to go. So that's how you can download any app you want on your Android tablet. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.